Affiliate marketing has become one of the most accessible ways to make money online in 2025. By sharing products or services using a unique affiliate link, you can earn commissions with every sale driven through your recommendation, all without having to handle inventory, customer service, or shipping. Major platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer opportunities for anyone to get started. By focusing on valuable content and honest recommendations, you can turn your online presence into a scalable and rewarding income stream. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2025. It works on a simple concept. You promote someone else's product or service using a unique affiliate link, and whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You don't need to create your own product, handle customer service, or manage shipping. Your only job is to drive traffic and influence purchasing decisions. This model is widely used across industries and platforms, whether it's tech products, clothing, digital tools, or online courses. For example, if you have a YouTube channel, blog, or even a simple Instagram page, you can talk about a product you genuinely like, include your affiliate link in the description, and earn every time someone buys through it. Companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Hostinger, and many others have affiliate programs that are free to join. Globally, platforms like ClickBank, Impact, ShareASale, and Digistore24 offer affiliate access to thousands of digital and physical products. The power of affiliate marketing lies in its scalability and automation. Once your content is live, it can keep generating income without ongoing effort. People are earning from a few dollars to thousands of dollars per month, depending on their niche, traffic, and strategy. Some focus on content creation through blogs, videos, or social media, while others run paid ads, build email lists, or launch coupon websites. There's no single way to do affiliate marketing, but success often comes down to choosing the right product, understanding your audience, and delivering real value. It's important to build trust, be honest in your recommendations, and never spam your links. With time, consistency, and the right tools, like tracking platforms, content schedulers, and keyword research, you can grow your affiliate income significantly. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking for a side hustle, affiliate marketing gives you the freedom to work from anywhere, at your own pace, and earn based on performance. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right mindset and learning, it can become a powerful long-term income source. In the digital economy, join SkillCareer. Get in today. Top affiliate programs in 2025. Here are some of the best affiliate programs to explore. Amazon Associates, perfect for beginners, offering millions of physical products to promote. ClickBank specializes in digital products like online courses, ebooks, and software, often with higher commission rates. ShareASale, a large network with thousands of merchants in various categories. Rakuten Advertising works with global brands and offers quality support and tracking. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, another major network with diverse offers and high payouts. PartnerStack, great for SaaS, software as a service, affiliate programs. Impact.com, used by major brands like Shopify and Canva to manage affiliate relationships. Creating content that converts. The key to success in affiliate marketing is providing value. Don't just post links. Create content that educates, informs, or entertains. Here are some effective content ideas. Product reviews. Share your honest opinion about a product and include your link for readers to purchase. Comparison posts. Compare two or more similar products, helping users decide which one to buy. Tutorials and how-to guides. Teach your audience how to use a product and show the benefits in action. Top 10 lists. People love listicles. Top 5 laptops for students, or 10 must-have travel apps. Social media recommendations. Create short-form videos or stories with product demos or personal tips. Best platforms to promote your links. You can promote your affiliate links almost anywhere online. Some of the top platforms in 2025 include YouTube, add links in your video descriptions; Instagram, use story links or bio-link tools like Linktree; TikTok, short, engaging videos with a call to action; Pinterest, use visuals to drive traffic to affiliate blogs; email marketing, build a list and send product recommendations directly; blogs and websites, best for SEO and long-term passive income; staying honest and compliant. Always disclose when you're using affiliate links. It builds trust with your audience and is also required by law in many countries. A simple line like, "This post contains affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you," is enough and appreciated by most readers. Also, only promote products you truly believe in. Don't just chase high commissions. Recommend things you'd use yourself. Tools that help affiliate marketers succeed: Google Analytics. Track where your traffic is coming from. Bit.ly or Pretty Links. Shorten and customize your affiliate links. Canva. Create visuals, banners, and posts easily. ConvertKit or MailChimp for email marketing and automation. WordPress. Build your own blog or website to grow organically. Common mistakes to avoid: spamming, links everywhere without value, choosing products that don't match your audience, not tracking your performance, or learning from results. Giving up too early. It takes time to grow. Relying on just one traffic source. How much can you earn? There's no fixed limit. Some people make a few dollars a month, while others earn six figures. It depends on your content quality, audience size and trust, product niche, effort and consistency. Getting started today. Here's how you can start affiliate marketing today in simple steps. Choose a niche you care about. Sign up for a few affiliate programs. Create one piece of content recommending a product. Share your content on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Track clicks and sales, then improve your strategy over time. Final thoughts. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is a real, scalable, and low-risk way to make money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, a content creator, or someone looking for a side income, it offers incredible potential. Success won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, transparency, and a genuine desire to help others, affiliate marketing can grow from a side hustle into a full-time business.